my channel. Find my link in the bio and please subscribe and share with some friends. And till next time. Hey, and welcome to my channel, Taj Beauty TV, and I am back with another wig review for you guys. So I am working with the new company called Fashion Plus, and I'm going to be showing you the unit that they shipped to me. And let's get right into it. All right, so Fashion Plus is a company that sells most of their items on Amazon. So once the video is complete, go ahead and follow my links below and you'll be able to find the site and the direct link to go ahead and purchase this unit. So let's get into the packaging. I love the cute little tote bag off top. I think that's super cute. This unit, I'm not sure what she is, but so let's check her out. Okay, so I do see that she has quite a few headbands in here. Thank you. Okay, let's see. They're all tied up. Okay, so I got a yellow one, a multicolor floral one, also like this fuchsia multi-blue color, also a silkier floral one, and then a blue polka dot one. Now I kind of have like a full size head, so I definitely hope that these wigs, or actually the headbands, fit. Okay, so guys, I showed you the packaging, so let's get right into putting on this wig. Ooh, so I can already see she has some really pretty body waves happening, so I'm excited. Okay, so this is going to be the 18-inch body wave. Okay. So that's what I love, you guys. That's what I love about the headband wigs, is you could just literally pop her on and go. I have a couple of friends and they're always asking me like, how do you apply your wigs? And I'm like, if you are, you know, beginner, and I consider myself to be, I'm not no pro, but you know, I kind of know a little something. But the headband wigs are definitely beginner friendly. They're easy 1, 2, 3. You just literally put them on your head, adjust the combs if you see fit, and tie that Velcro in the back and you're good to go. So here is the cap construction. She has 3 combs, one in the center, 2 on the sides. She has the lace, and in the back there's another comb on the center. There's no additional straps to tighten her up or anything like that, so I guess you're going to be utilizing the Velcro for that purpose. Okay, so here she is. First off top, she is this body wave texture. She feels really good to the touch, and there's no kind of shipping fragrant or odor or anything like that. She has absolutely no smell at all, which is good. But you definitely want to make sure you wash your units, you know, before you begin to wear them out. So I really love her curls. She definitely is going to be heat friendly, and I'm pretty sure she's color safe also. So let's get right into putting her on. Now I told you guys it's easy 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just put her on together. Okay, so I told you guys, for me, I like to kind of push her back. Before I was wearing the headbands way too close. So now I kind of like to push her back a little bit off of my hairline. And there you go. There you go. Of course, you could go ahead and style her as you see fit. There's so many things that you can do with her. So let me go ahead and do a couple of things with you guys. So if I wanted to do like a half up, half down look, I will go ahead and pick up some hair. Okay, you guys, so here is the half up, half down. Now, you know I did that like real quick for the video. Of course, if I was going to be wearing her out, I would take my time and you know, kind of smooth it over a little bit, but this was literally like under a minute in styling. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another way that you could go ahead and style her too. Okay, say you wanted to kind of rock her like with the side part. So you could just go ahead and use your fingers like I'm doing and kind of just go ahead and divide her like that. And I think this is super duper cute. Now, of course, you're going to go ahead and you can either wear her out. Let me push it back. You can wear her out with the black hairband if you like, or you could go ahead and utilize one of these headbands here. So there's so many ways that you could go ahead and style her, you guys. Let me go ahead and put the headband on. And there you go. Now, of course, since she is a headband unit, to keep her in place, you could go ahead and utilize like your styling oils and your styling products. You could use a little bit of holding spray. Got to Be would be really good, just to kind of make sure that she stays in place. And you could even add a couple of bobby pins to make sure that she goes ahead and stays in place. So you guys, I do think you guys get the gist of it. I showed you a couple of ways that you could wear her. And since this is a human hair wig, you could go ahead and straighten her out. I really do love the body wave curls, the flow of it. Like I said, this is an 18-inch unit. There's definitely longer lengths available online. But I like this length right here. It's not too long. It's not going to be, you know, I think it's a good natural length. And like I said, when you put your headbands on, if you are going to wear a second one, make sure you cover the black one up under and you're good to go. So as you saw, this styling took what, a couple of minutes to put her on. It's definitely beginner girl friendly. And I think she's a 5 out of 5, you guys. So like I said, go ahead and follow the links down in the description box. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Right now, though, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the team, Tosh team. And until next time, you guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.